Hello friends, my name is Gaurish and you're watching my channel Technical Gaurish. So today I'm going to tell you about MI Pocket Speaker 2. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In terms of design, the Pocket Speaker has very attractive cylindrical design with matte aluminum frame. This speaker provides you with 4.1 Bluetooth connectivity for hand-free calling. The feature of this speaker made it unique. The speaker has 7 hours of battery life. This speaker is compatible with both Android and iPhone. The lower part of this speaker is made up of polycarbonate. The pocket speaker adds beauty to your room, office, or wherever you plan to keep it. This speaker is available in black and white colors. In terms of hardware, the pocket speaker has 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery. Now you can see the review of this speaker. You can buy this speaker on MI official store. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.